Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how I made these really cool gelatin bubbles. So it starts off with blowing up and tying off a ton of these water balloons. It's kind of finicky, but you just got to do it. Make them all different sizes, and then you're going to tie them to skewers, okay? However you want to tie them to a skewer, just tie them on there. Make a whole bunch of different sizes. I'll put the recipe for the gelatin down below. You're gonna go ahead and let it bloom in your cold water, and it's gonna look like that. It's like gonna be just a solid hunka chunka. Then you're gonna go to your microwave and you're gonna warm it up in 10-second intervals. You're not trying to boil it, you're just trying to bring it back to a liquid. Next, we're gonna color it. I'm using Lime Master Elite from the Sugar Art. I will tag them down below. They have a really great TikTok with lots of great information. I swear by their colors. They're amazing. And I'm also going to add a little bit of luster to add a little bit of sparkle and shine. Like, oh my goodness, like that's so pretty. All right, so now you're going to dip. And you're going to be like, ugh, it's taking forever. It will take forever. You're going to dip, you're going to let it dry. You're going to dip, you're going to let it dry. There's this nice sweet spot where the gelatin's just at the perfect temperature to where it coats the balloon just right. And then it gets all wonky and you got to rewarm it. But just keep going at it. Just be, patient. And that's what it's going to look like at first. Like, it's going to be like squishy. And then that one's like almost done. And then this one is ready to go. I leave these with a fan put on them and let them dry. Helps the drying process. Nobody's going to really see the bottoms, So I don't really care about like having a weird like chunky part. But as you can see, they're nice and hard, and you're going to take and and there you go. And here's how the cake turned out. It was a cauldron. This is a really cool cake stand, and you can hide stuff in it. I put, of course, a severed head. I think it looked really cool. You can also put candy, but Halloween. Here's some blue ones I made, all different shades of blue. And I made this really beautiful cake that you're going to see here. So hopefully you guys make this. All right, bye.